Hello, today we're going to fix a common problem with blinds. The thing that you twist here to tilt the blinds is no longer working, so we're going to replace it. So to start out with, we have to take the blind down where we can work on it. We're going to raise the blind, and we're going to flip up the clips that hold it in. We're also going to take the little rod off the hook. Just clips it to the little hook here. So the twister is located over here, and to get it out we have to take and pull this metal rod back that way just enough to get it out of this twister. Then we can take it out. So the first thing is to pull these little end caps off. Kind of wipe the dirt off the rod to make it easier to slide. So now we're at the other end. We're going to take a pair of pliers and grab a hold of that rod and so like pull on it, twist a little bit until it pops out. Now we can see that it's out. This is the twister and the rod's out of it now. Alright, now we're ready to take the twister out. You can kind of pull the sides a little bit, and it unclips, and the whole thing comes out. And what's busted is there's a little plastic gear here, and when you turn this, it's supposed to spin the rod that goes through the middle, but the plastic's all broken. This is a heavier duty model. It has metal gears instead of plastic, so it'll last longer. So you just put it in so the hook goes through the hole, and you clip this side back in, and then we take the pliers and push the rod back through again. Like that. Okay, something doesn't seem right. And when you push it through, you have to make sure that the little twisters don't slide. Now that we have the rod back in the twister, we can put the end caps back on. And it's ready to install back in the window. Okay, now that we have it hang back up, you can push the clips back down. Hook the rod back on the hook, and we can test it. All fixed. Thank you for watching.